video is for class 3, subject mathematics, term 3, chapter number 2, and the name of the chapter is money. This is our lecture number 2. Today's topics are number 1, conversion of rupees and paise, number 2, addition sums of money. So let's start. Now beta, first of all we will do conversion of rupees and paise. Okay, so conversion of rupees into paise. What we will do beta here, to convert rupees into paise, we multiply the number of rupees by 100. ठीक है, जब हम rupees को पैसे में convert करते हैं तो what we will do beta, we will multiply the number of rupees by 100. So let's see how. Here in example number 1, rupees 2 is equal to 2 multiplied by 100 paise, because here we want to convert rupees 2 into paise. So for that what we will do, we will multiply this number 2 by 100. Now when we multiply a number by 100, what we will do, we will just add 2 zeros in the right hand side of the given number. So here 2 is given. So how we will multiply it by 100? By writing 2 zeros in the right hand side. Okay, so 2 multiplied by 100 is equal to 200 paise here. Okay, now the next is to convert rupees and paise into paise. We simply remove the point. जब हमें rupees और पैसे दिए हों, यहाँ पे हमें सिर्फ rupees given था बेटा. Now rupees और पैसे given है with the help of point. What we have to do to make it paise? We just remove the point. Let's see how. Here in example number 2, it is given rupees 3.60. Okay, here 3 rupees are there and 60 paise are there. So what we have to do to make it as paise? We just remove this point. Okay, so what is the answer? That is 360 paise. ठीक है, हमने इस पॉइंट को हटा देना है सिर्फ, तो हमारे वो पैसे में कन्वर्ट हो जाएगा 360 पैसे. अंडरस्टूड बेटा? नाउ बेटा एक्सरसाइज 2A. Here it is given in question number 2, convert into paise. So here in A part, rupees 15 is equal to dash. So here we need to convert rupees 15 into paise. So we know that in 1 rupee there are 100 paise. That's why we will multiply 15 by 100 to make it paise. So that is 15 multiplied by 100. And when we multiply a number by 100, we need to write the 2 zeros to the right hand side of the given number, and here 15 is given. So how we can write it? Like this, 15 then 2 zeros. So how we can speak like 1500 paise. So what is the answer? 1500 paise. Now in B part, rupees 39 is equal to dash. So again here we need to multiply 39 by 100. So here we will write 39 multiplied by 100, and what is the answer? 39, and after 39 we will write 2 zeros. So how we can speak it? Like this, 3900. So here we will write the answer 3900 paise. Okay, so in rupees 39 there are 3900 paise. Now in C part, rupees 72 is equal to dash. So again we need to multiply 72 by 100, and the answer is 7200. Okay, and we can speak it like 7200. So here we will write 7200 paise. Now in D part, rupees 90 is equal to dash. So again we need to multiply 90 by 100. So 90 multiplied by 100, and when we multiply 90 by 100 it will become 9000. Okay, we will put 2 zeros to the right hand side of 90 and the number will become 9000. So here we will write 9000 paise. Okay. Now in E part, it is given rupees 93.18. Okay, now we have to convert it into paise. Beta, here in this question you can see we have given rupees as well as paise, and now we have to convert it into paise. So what we will do, we just only remove the point from this amount. Okay, so how we can write it? 99,318 paise. Understood, beta? Only remove this point and write down the full number. Okay, and after that we have to write paise. Now in F part, rupees 34.25 is equal to dash. So here again we have to convert it into paise. So we have to remove the point only, and the amount is 3,425 paise. Okay, beta? Now the next one is conversion of पैसे into rupees. अब हमें पैसे को rupees में convert करना है. So what we will do for it? So to convert पैसे into rupees, put a point after counting two numbers from the right of the given number showing पैसे. पैसे शो करने के लिए हम क्या करेंगे बेटा? जब हमें पैसे को रुपीज में कन्वर्ट करना है, व्हाट वी विल डू, वी हैव टू पुट अ पॉइंट. हमें एक पॉइंट लगाना है आफ्टर काउंटिंग टू नंबर्स, दो नंबर्स काउंट करके. ठीक है, फ्रॉम द राइट साइड ऑफ द गिवन नंबर. ठीक है, राइट साइड से हमें टू नंबर्स को काउंट करना है और उसके बाद हमें वहां पे पॉइंट लगा देना है. ठीक है, जिससे हमें पैसे और रुपीस दोनों अलग अलग शो हो जाएंगे. सो लेट्स सी हाउ. So in example number 1, A part, 593 paise. Now we have to convert it into rupees. So what we will do? We just write rupees 5.93. ठीक है, अब देखो 9 और 3 हमारे टू राइट हैंड साइड के नंबर्स हैं. इससे पहले हमें पॉइंट लगाना है. ठीक है, तो हाउ वी कैन राइट इट इन रुपीज? लाइक rupees 5.93. Okay, now in B part, 4,565 paise is given. ठीक है, now again we have to count two numbers from the right hand side. So here 1 2. ठीक है, so 65 से पहले हम डॉट लगा देंगे यानी पॉइंट लगा देंगे. So how we can write it? Rupees 45.65. Here 45 are the rupees and 65 is paise. Okay, now in C part, 1500 paise. So here 1500 paise or 1500 paise, you can read it like this also. So how we can convert it into rupees? We just put point before the last two digits or last, yes. So here the two zeros are given from the right hand side when we count the number. So how we can write the answer? That is 15.00 or rupees 15 only. Okay, we have not written P after पैसे. ठीक है, यहाँ पर हमें पैसे के बाद P नहीं लगाना है. Only rupees you have to write. Clear beta? Now beta, question number 3, convert into rupees. So here in A part, it is given 756 paise is equal to dash. Now we have to convert 756 paise into rupees. So I told you earlier that when we want to convert paise into rupees, what we have to do? We have to just count the last two digits from the right hand side. Okay, and we have to put the point here to make it in rupees. So here 56 are the last two digits or from the right hand side digits. So how we can write its answer? That is rupees 7.56. ठीक है, यहाँ पर 56 जो है 56 ये हमें पैसे रिप्रेजेंट कर रहा है और 7 जो है वो रुपीस रिप्रेजेंट कर रहा है. ओके, नाउ इन बी पार्ट, it is given 2,569 paise. So here again we have to count the last two digits, that is 9 and 6 here. Okay, so how we can write the answer of this? That is rupees 25.69. Okay, now in C part, it is given 1,324 paise is equal to dash. So we have to find out that 1,324 paise is equal to dash rupees. Okay, So we need to write the last two digits as paise and 13 as rupees. So how we can write it like rupees 13.24. ठीक है, ये जो पॉइंट के बाद का नंबर है दैट रिप्रेजेंट्स पैसे एंड जो पॉइंट से पहले वाला नंबर है दैट रिप्रेजेंट्स रुपीस. तो जब भी हमें पैसे को रुपीस में कन्वर्ट करना होता है तो हम लास्ट के टू डिजिट्स जो हैं उससे पहले पॉइंट लगा देते हैं. ओके, नाउ इन टी पार्ट 9620 paise is equal to dash. So again we will take last two digits and in this last two digits are 20. So before last two digits we will put a dot. So what is the answer? That rupees 96.20. Okay. Now in E part 5023 paise is equal to dash. So here beta I am going to tell you one more method to solve this sum. Here we will divide the given number by 100. So here we will write 5023 divided by 100. And I told you earlier that how we can divide a number by 100. Simply we will put a dot before the last two digits. Okay. So how we can write it? 50.23. So here we will write the answer rupees 50.23. Okay. Now in F part 9656 paise is equal to dash. So again 9656 divided by 100 and here we write 96.56. Last two digits से पहले हम क्या लगाएंगे बेटा? Point लगाएंगे. So what is the answer? That is rupees 96.56. Understood beta? Now question number 4. Fill in the blanks. So here it is given in A part rupees 10 is equal to dash paise. So now here we have given rupees 10 and we have to convert it into paise. So to make rupees into paise we need to multiply the number by 100. So here we will write 10 multiplied by 100 and that is equal to 1000. Okay. So rupees 10 is equal to 1000 paise. Okay. Now in B part 802 paise is equal to rupees dash. So here what we will do? We have to divide 802 by 100 or we can put a point before two digits from our right hand side. Okay, so here we will write 802 divided by 100 and that is equal to 8.02. Okay, now in C part 1685 paise is equal to rupees dash. So again we have to divide. Okay, so 1685 divided by 100 is equal to rupees 16.85. Understood beta? Now beta, addition of three amounts of money. So here we have to add rupees 105.36 plus rupees 187.79 plus rupees 49. Okay, here the numbers that are given after point. Okay, yeah, or you can say right hand side of the point, it denotes here paise. Okay, so first of all we will write units rupees and paise, then we will write 105 rupees and 36 paise. After that we will write 187 rupees 79 paise below it, and then we have to write 49 rupees. And here how we can write the 49 rupees? Here 0, 49 and paise is 0, 0. Okay, now we have to add, so we will put the plus sign. So let's start from our right hand side. So here it is given 6 plus 9 and 6 plus 9 is equal to 15 and 15 plus 0 is equal to 15. So 15 is two digit answer, that's why beta we will write here 5 and 1 will be carryover. Now we have to add 1 plus 3 and 1 plus 3 is equal to 4. Now 4 plus 7 that is equal to 11 and 11 plus 0 is equal to 11. So here 11 is again two digit answer, that's why we will write 1 here and 1 will be carryover in rupees. Now 1 plus 5 is equal to 6. 6 plus 7 is equal to 13. Okay, and 13 plus 9 is equal to 22. So here we will write 2 and 2 will be carry over. Okay, now 2 plus 0 is equal to 2. 2 plus 8 is equal to 10 and 10 plus 4 is equal to 14. So again 14 is 2-digit answer. That's why we will write 4 here and 1 will be carry over. Now 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 1, 3 and 3 plus 0 is equal to 3. So here we will write 3. So what is the answer? That is 342 rupees 15 paise. How we can write it like this? Rupees 342.15. Understood beta? Now beta, today's homework, you have to do exercise 2A, question number 4, parts D to F. Okay, given on page number 17 in your book. Okay, and exercise 2B, question number 1, parts E to F, E to H. Okay, given on page number 18 in your book. You have to do these sums in your book only. Okay, now I am going to show the sums, homework sums. Exercise 2A, question number 4, fill in the blanks. In D part, rupees 27.95 is given and you have to find out that how many passes are there. Okay, and in E part again rupees 5.23 is given and you have to convert it into paise. And in F part 9096 paise is given and you have to convert it into rupees. Okay, now beta, exercise 2B, add question number 1. In E part, you have to add these amounts. Units are given rupees and paise, 57 rupees 57 paise, 75 rupees 11 paise and 11 rupees 15 paise. You have to add these three amounts. Okay. Now in F part, rupees and paise are given 82 rupees 15 paise, 10 rupees 5 paise, 18 rupees 36 paise. You have to add these amounts. Here in G part, rupees and paise are given 125 rupees 13 paise, 107 rupees 18 paise and 15 rupees. Okay, you have to add these amounts. Now in H part, again rupees and paise are given 540 rupees 82 paise, 200 rupees 17 paise and 13 rupees 8 paise. Okay, you have to do this work in your book. Understood beta? Now, the homework solution of lecture number 1, I had given you exercise 2B question number 1, add from page number 18. So, let's discuss parts A to D. So, here in A part, it is given units rupees and paise, 14 rupees 60 paise and 22 rupees 55 paise. Now, we have to add both the numbers. So, let's start from our right hand side. So, 0 plus 5 is equal to 5. And 6 plus 5 is equal to 11. So here beta 11 is 2-digit answer. That's why we will write 1 here and 1 will be carry over. Okay. Now 1 plus 4, 5 and 5 plus 2, 7. So here we will write 7 and 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. So what is the answer? That is 37 rupees 15 paise, or we can write it like this, rupees 37.15. Okay. Now in B part, 29 rupees 9 paise and 48 rupees 37 paise. Now we have to add. So let's start from our right hand side. 9 plus 7, that is equal to 16. So here 16 is 2-digit answer. That's why we will write 6 here and 1 will be carry over. Now 1 plus 0 is equal to 1 and 1 plus 3 is equal to 4. Okay. Now 9 plus 8, that is equal to 17. So here 17 is 2-digit answer. That's why we will write 7 here and 1 will be carry over. Now 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 4, 7. So what is the answer? That is 77 rupees 46 paise, or we can write it like this, rupees 77.46. Okay. C part. 125 rupees 90 paise and 42 rupees 16 paise. Now we have to add. So 0 plus 6 is equal to 6. 9 plus 1 is equal to 10. So here we will write 0 and 1 will be carry over. Okay. पैसे में बेटा 2 डिजिट से ज्यादा हम नहीं लिख सकते. सो अगर यहाँ पर 1 आ रहा है तो इसका कैरी कहाँ चला जाएगा? रुपीज में चला जाएगा. ओके. सो 1 plus 5 6, 6 plus 2 8. So here we will write 8 and 2 plus 4 is equal to 6. 1 plus 0 is equal to 1. So what is the answer? That is 168 rupees 6 paise. Or we can write like this, rupees 168.06. Now in D part, 330 rupees 12 paise and 17 rupees. Now we have to add. So let's start from paise. 2 plus 0, 2. 1 plus 0, 1. 0 plus 7, 7. 3 plus 1, 4 and 3 plus 0, 3. So what is the answer? 347 rupees 12 paise, or we can write like this, 347.12. Okay. Thank you.